gender and special interests. To achieve a two-thirds gender party rule, the Council proposes the use of proportionate representation system. Political parties should use a competitive, transparent, and verifiable system before arriving at a party list. Election. Council of Governors recommends the establishment of an independent electoral and boundaries commission, which is devolved in all the 47 counties. The county election should be handled and concluded at the county level. So the current IBC just deals only with the presidential elections. And when this IBC is devolved, they can arrange their own election within a particular period.
So we would like to see gender balanced in the cabinet, starting from the executive, not just at the cabinet level. So at the top, amongst the 5 seats that are there, there should be gender balance. As a matter of fact, we would prefer that it's alternative gender, where if the president is a male, then we would want to see one of the deputies to be female and vice versa, whichever party presents the candidates. I think that is the what we are trying to achieve with the party list, and I think that will address the issue of the gender concern at the national level, but at the county level as well, we expect the same to apply. That is already a proposal in the BBI report, and we support it.